Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best car ramps is probably one of the most essential tools for any car enthusiast or DIY mechanic, especially if you own a low-profile vehicle. Trying to change your oil on a lowered car can be a real challenge, but with the right ramps, you can lift your car safely and easily, providing the necessary clearance to access the oil pan and other components. In this video, we'll dive into the best car ramps for low cars, helping you find the perfect set to make your oil changes a breeze. Number 5. RhinoGear RhinoRamps Pro Vehicle Ramp Pair. These RhinoRamps are built with a patented structural design and durable resin construction. They are strong and can handle a 16,000 pounds GVW capacity. This makes them perfect for a variety of vehicles. The ramps feature a unique nestable design. This allows them to stack together, making storage in your garage simple and compact. It's a great space-saving solution. These ramps are the widest on the market, providing superior vehicle support. This extra width enhances safety during use, giving you peace of mind while working on your car. With a 17 degrees incline angle, these ramps are ideal for low-profile vehicles. This design allows you to easily service your vehicle without any hassle. The ramps have CoreTrack non-skid feet and a treaded surface. This ensures safe and stable operation on most surfaces. Plus, they are proudly made in the USA. What we like. These ramps boast a heavy-duty strength, with a high weight capacity and a durable build. They also feature a space-saving design, making storage a breeze. If you have a low-profile vehicle and need a reliable, easy-to-store solution, this is the one for you. What people say. These ramps held the car up solid with no flex or slipping. Great height for my husband to fit under the car. Drove up smoothly and felt stable the entire time he was under the vehicle. Great for routine maintenance like oil changes. Definitely a worthwhile investment if you're doing your own service. They are easy to carry and lightweight. They stack on top of each other for storage. They are nice and wide. These are very sturdy and work with today's low-profile cars. I've done oil changes and transmission flushes with these and they worked fine. They are easy to drive the car onto. I was not worried I would overshoot the top edge. The wheel chocks are handy too. My 2014 Honda Civic had plenty of clearance riding up on these. Number 4. Black Widow Car Service Ramps. These ramps are designed to lift your vehicle for easy maintenance. They are made of durable plastic and can support up to 10,000 pounds. This set of 2 ramps makes it simple to perform oil changes and other services at home. The ramps are constructed from high-impact plastic, ensuring strength and durability. Their lightweight design makes them easy to carry and position. You can rely on them for consistent performance. Each ramp measures 35.5 inches long, 12 inches wide, and 8.5 inches high. They are suitable for cars, trucks, SUVs, and vans, with a combined capacity of up to 10,000 pounds. They provide ample space for under-vehicle work. The ramps feature a specialty internal support system for distributing vehicle weight safely. The grid design allows water, snow, and dirt to filter through. This design ensures stability in various weather conditions. These service ramps lift vehicles 6.25 inches off the ground. This provides easy access for routine maintenance and oil changes. Using them simplifies your at-home service tasks. The ramps are sold as a set of 2. This provides everything you need to lift your vehicle safely. Get yours today and make vehicle maintenance easier. What we like. These ramps are made from durable plastic and are designed to be lightweight, making them easy to carry and position. They lift your vehicle for easy maintenance. If you are looking for a lightweight and easy-to-use solution for your routine oil changes and maintenance, consider these. What people say. These Black Widow ramps are going to save me so much time and hassle. I used them yesterday when changing the oil on my 1994 Lexus RX 330 and they were so simple to use it took me just a minute or 2 to get my car into position. Once in place, there was plenty of room underneath for the oil change, just like if I had used jacks, except for the advantage of not having to work around the jacks. These ramps are large, so will take up more space in my garage, but the trade-off is worth it. The quality is good. They are lightweight but sturdy. These are low enough that a lowered car has no problem getting on without ripping the front chin spoiler off, and can handle the weight of any car for sure. It's stable when you drive on, takes like 20 seconds, and is especially helpful on cars where floor jacks will damage the ones designed to go on a lift. It's much wider than the one I had before, and the slope is not very steep, makes it relatively easier to drive onto it. Number 3. Pyle 4-foot heavy-duty rubber curb ramps. These ramps provide easy access for various vehicles and mobility devices. It allows you to effortlessly navigate curbs and elevated surfaces. This makes life easier for everyone. Constructed from heavy-duty, industrial-grade rubber, it's designed for durability. The ramp protects your vehicle from damage and reduces noise while driving. The textured surface enhances friction and traction. This feature ensures safe use in various environments, including driveways and loading docks. It provides extra grip for your tires. With a capacity of up to 11,000 pounds, it can handle a wide range of vehicles. This allows you to safely drive over uneven ground or curbs. The ramp features preformed holes for permanent installation. It also includes a channel for water or cables. This allows you to secure it in high-traffic areas. What we like. These ramps are designed for multipurpose use, from cars to scooters. They are made of heavy-duty rubber and feature a textured surface for increased traction. If you like a versatile ramp that can handle various vehicles and provide excellent grip, then this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. These are solid, rugged, and seem well constructed. This is an excellent, durable product that practically eliminates the harsh jolt caused by the extreme slope of a curb. The quality is great and helps fill the gap between the street and driveway. Number 2. ROBLOCK car ramps for low-profile vehicles. These car ramps are designed with an improved length, making it easier to use jacks and other tools. The wider width accommodates wider tires, ensuring a secure fit. This design allows you to work freely and efficiently. Specifically designed for low-profile cars, these ramps feature a 17-degree slope. This allows you to easily access the underside of your vehicle for repairs, inspections, or maintenance. It's perfect for sports cars and tuners. Made from impact-resistant PP material with a honeycomb design, this ramp enhances friction and grip. The curved design keeps the vehicle in place, preventing slippage. Surface drainage and non-slip pads further enhance stability and durability. These ramps are built with sufficient stability and strength to support your vehicle's weight for extended periods. This allows you to work safely under the chassis without worry. Simply drive the vehicle onto the ramp and begin your work. These ramps are compact and lightweight, making them easy to carry and store. With a GVW of 20,000 pounds and a lifting height of 2.6 inches, it's a practical solution for home or professional use. If you have any questions, please contact us. What we like. These ramps are designed with an improved length and width, specifically for low-chassis vehicles. They also offer improved security features. If you have a low-profile car and need a stable and secure solution for undercar work, this is the ideal option. What people say. They stay put while driving on and don't flex under the car's weight. The surface gives good traction and they're easy to position even on a smooth garage floor. Despite how small and light they are, they actually supported my car just fine. Got my car up the ramps easily using just the clutch and the ramps didn't seem to slide at all. I didn't use any mats or bricks or anything to keep it stable. When I was done and lowered the car back onto the ramps didn't move shake at all. Perfect ramp size as it gives much more needed room to work yet is low enough to not hit the bottom of the car if one accidentally drove off of them. Very good value for the money and did not slip at all on blacktop. Number 1. Donext 3-ton low-profile car service ramps, 2-pack. These low-profile car service ramps are designed for easy vehicle repair and maintenance. They make it simple to get under your car for the work you need to do. The 8.3 degrees loading angle makes it safer and more convenient for low-clearance vehicles. This design ensures that you can safely drive your car onto the ramps without any issues. The ramps feature honeycomb channels to help prevent moisture buildup. This design helps to keep the ramps in good condition and extends their lifespan. They are made of lightweight but strong PP material. Despite their light weight, they can support up to 3 tons, 6,600 pounds. The package size measures 27.55 by 7.87 by 3.15 inches, making them easy to store and transport. You can easily keep them in your garage or take them with you when needed. What we like. These ramps feature a low-profile design with honeycomb channels to prevent moisture buildup. They are made of lightweight but strong PP material. If you like a ramp that is easy to store and transport, this is the one for you. What people say. These 3-inch tall ramps work fantastic. They get my lowered car high enough to quickly jack it up and use jack stands. The ramps are very well made, feels higher quality than most full-size ramps, with better design for traction. They're lightweight as well, and I keep a set in my trunk. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.